Hi, this is Prashant from Telangana, Mahabubnagar district. I was done my MBA in Kingston College, is located at Hyderabad. After that, I got a job in non-IT side. I want to switch into IT side. One of my friends suggested to Evision. Evision is a training and placement company. I was joined in Evision. They are trained friendly. After completing my course, I got a job in Apollo Radiology as a desktop support engineer with 2.5 LPA. Is located at Banjara Hills. Thanks to Evision. Thanks a lot. Thanks Nandini madam and Satya madam and Ganesh sir. Uh, Thank you so much. They are trained friendly. Thank you.